Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will compare Figma color styles versus variables. Let's dive into understanding the fundamental differences and how each feature can elevate your design workflow. We'll explore how color styles provide a robust framework for visual consistency, allowing you to update hundreds of elements with a single change. Then, we'll examine how color variables introduce a new level of dynamism, enabling advanced theming and conditional color assignments. By the end, you'll have a clear picture of when and how to leverage both for a powerful design system. Color styles are your go-to for establishing a consistent visual language. Think of them as the bedrock of your design system, defining your brand's primary, secondary, and accent colors. When you create a color style, you're essentially creating a reusable swatch that can be applied to countless shapes, texts, and components. If your brand color shifts from a light blue to a darker shade, updating that one style will instantly reflect the change across all 100 or more instances in your file, ensuring perfect consistency with minimal effort. Now, let's explore color variables, a powerful feature for dynamic and intelligent color management. Variables allow you to define colors that can change based on context, making them perfect for implementing light and dark modes, or even different brand themes within a single file. You can link one variable to another, creating a sophisticated network where a change to a base color can cascade through an entire system. This level of control is invaluable for creating flexible designs and significantly improves the handoff process to development teams, ensuring precise implementation. So when should you use which? For static, foundational colors that represent your brand's core identity, stick with color styles. They are simple, effective, and ensure visual consistency across hundreds of elements. However, for dynamic scenarios like light and dark modes, or when colors need to adapt based on specific conditions, color variables are the superior choice. The most powerful approach is often to combine both. Use styles for your base palette, and then leverage variables to build dynamic themes on top of those styles, creating a truly adaptable and future-proof design system.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.